It's just me, Keep Moment Zero here, and today we're gonna do meal time. Okay, I am never saying it's Keep Moment Zero here ever again. Haven't said it in like 3 years. I'm never saying it again. Just, just to clarify, that last video. Oh, that's a thumbnail. That last video was just like a joke because I haven't posted on this account in 2 years. Not that anybody cares, but I already have 1 view on that video, so I'm famous. I'm gonna go flex on all my friends. My friend just said they left a comment on the video. Let's see what it is, shall we? Oh. Okay, you know what? I love you guys. Please comment, subscribe, and like, and add me on Animal Jam. Just kidding. Bye.